downward directions from what I could be seeing. So that's why I'm just focusing on gold for most of the times. For this week, for most of the times I've been focusing just on gold, because market is totally different from the ones that we are looking at the market. Okay, right now our gold market signal is still running. Stop losses, I have already given out a complete detail of these trading ideas for you guys. So if you guys want more, just check out our profile and click on that link so you guys could use those trading plan on your account right now. Okay. Okay, so we have already been talking about gold, we have already been talking about silver. Silver price action hasn't been that wonderful compared with gold, so I think I will be just focusing on gold for tonight, since we are actually looking at the possibility of this double bottom forming on this gold chart, and this could be a very good sign for our trade, guys. Okay. Okay, so if you guys have any other questions right now that you guys wanted to ask, or if you guys are interested to engage with a discussion with me, I'm happy to discuss with you anything related to trading market. And certainly market has been quite volatile. I know that most of you guys, if you guys have been trading for quite some time, maybe you guys could be getting confused, and having a discussion partner could be a good thing. Okay, so if you guys are interested to have a chat, let me know on the comments, guys. Okay, so we have already been talking about gold, silver, and I think the most important thing we need to discuss is about US dollar index. Why? Because on the back of gold we have XAUUSD. So I think it's very important for us to talk about the US dollar index. Okay, so Laffy, how do you advise I start as a beginner? So if you guys are beginners, certainly one of the biggest thing I will be recommending that you guys do is maybe try to get some knowledge on how to trade. Because trading, there's a lot of style, a lot of different strategies, and different strategy is really depending on your style of trade. Maybe you guys are much more of a conservative trader, if you guys are much more aggressive, totally there could be different types of trading style, and not a lot of trading styles could be suited to you. So let's say I'm a swing trader, and sometimes you guys are much more aggressive and you guys are much suited for short-term trading style like scalping. So I highly suggest that you guys get some knowledge about trading and get to know how you guys could trade. So if you guys are a scalper or whether you're a swing trader, make sure you guys understand the basics of a technical analysis. So technical analysis is I would say it's the educations for you guys to get started on trading, and certainly how you guys could read the candlestick, how you guys could read the trends, how you guys could use indicators. And after getting all of those knowledge, after understanding it just on a theoretical basis, it's very important that you guys also put it on practice. So there's two kind of practices that you guys could use. One, you guys could open a demo account. Second, you guys could put in a small amount of money just to get a feel of how you guys could really play with the certain amount of money. And afterwards, you try to implement what you learn on your trading style. But before that, I would highly suggest, if you guys wanted to get focused and serious, some of the people out there do back testing on their theories. So let's say you guys have already learned a lot of stuff about chart patterns, candlestick, volume analysis, trend analysis, indicator analysis, and what usually people do is they will try to back test their strategy. So what is back testing? Is basically back testing is showing you guys how well this strategy has been working over the last 10 years, over the last 5 years, and you guys could do that on MetaTrader 5, guys. Okay, so by backtesting those results, you guys could get much more confident on doing the trades. Especially if you guys are short-term trader, backtesting is certainly a very good tactic for you guys to do that, and it's also beneficial if you guys are doing on long-term trades as well. And afterwards, you guys can try to put those in actions after backtesting all of those strategies, getting confirmations what tactic is suited best with you guys, and then you can start executing it on your account, whether it's a demo account or whether it's a real account. But I highly suggest that you guys could trade on a real account, because sometimes you guys could get a feel of it, because sometimes people treat demo account as a game and they don't really treat it as their own money. So I highly suggest that if you guys want to start, learn something, backtesting your strategy, learn it, identify yourself, and see what kind of trading style suits you, learn the fundamentals, and backtesting all of those strategies, see what best suits you, and then put all of it in action as the final result. And after putting it all in action, it's not just the end of it, it's just the beginning. You are trying to implement a lot of stuff, and you will be definitely trying to find what's the best, because sometimes when you have already learned the theory, backtesting it, sometimes it didn't suit you, and you need to shift your strategy, find something that suits your personality and your characteristics. Okay, so that's what I can suggest you, Laffy. But certainly I highly suggest that you learn more first. Okay, find something that you can read on about technical analysis, trading, and from there you could build it on, because usually you will be getting a lot of information. So make sure that you guys don't get stuck on the wrong information as well. Okay, I hope that helps you, Laffy. I know it's just bullet points, but certainly I hope that could help you, Laffy. And if you guys want to follow our live streaming sessions, I highly welcome you, Laffy, and also the other audience, because we are doing these live streaming sessions on a daily basis from Monday to Friday, 11 AM to 14 PM UK time, or if you're from the Asian time zone, we are doing this from 7 PM until 10 PM Singaporean time. So you're always welcome to join us, listen to our analysis. But definitely, if you're very new, I could see that you could be a bit confused with a lot of these drawings and these indicators and stuff, but hopefully you can learn something. Alright, so we have already given out this analysis on our trading ideas. So if you guys are interested to get just trading ideas, you guys could check out our profile, click on that link, and you guys could get this trading plan on your account right now. And certainly if you guys wanted more other than trading ideas, if you guys want to learn how to trade, you could also definitely check out our profile and click on that link and say you guys wanted to get some insights. How do you guys could learn on it as well? So make sure you check out our profile, guys, okay? Alright, so what's next on the market? Okay, so I think I will be discussing about the US dollar index, as I've said. And let us start seeing what happened on the US dollar index. So right now I'm using a daily time frame charts. Certainly we have already been seeing the downfall of the US dollar index as expected, because US dollar index has been going quite fast over the last 2 months, I would say, from September, and now we are at the end of November, so it's almost 2 months, and it has been going on this, I would say it's a pretty smooth uptrend for currency trades, because currency trades usually move in a sideways zone without moving in a clear uptrend. And certainly we've already seen that the US dollar index has been going higher and higher as a result. But after going up too fast, something will always fall down, because if you guys fly too fast, usually you'll be getting a pretty big corrections in terms of normal basis. But with this huge movement going higher on the US dollar index for 2 months, we are likely to see some corrections, and we have already touched the support area at 105.9, 105.8. We are likely to see US dollar index to be closing down lower. So we have already hit this target price, and we could see that US dollar started to rebound around this area. So we could be seeing the start of a reversal, as I've already said with you guys. And this could be the foundations for the downtrend reactions that we could be seeing in the next few weeks, entering the final movement of this year. So we could be seeing that US dollar index could be weakening towards this path, guys. Okay, alright. Hi Tipa, nice to see you. Welcome to all our streaming sessions as usual. Nice to see you, Tipa. Hope you guys have been doing well, and yesterday's trade ideas has been very well. So I hope that you guys do get some insights and make some money as well on the trades. I hope that you do that as well, Tipa. So certainly what I'm right now looking at the market, US dollar index started to rebound, so that could mean something. We could be seeing a start of consolidations near here and then falling back lower. So that's what I'm seeing on the market. A small rebound and then it could be going lower on the market. And it could take days, so make sure that you guys pay attention. This is a daily time frame chart. Okay, so with that, there's a possibility that last night gold's drop is highly contributed by this. But certainly with the drop of the US dollar index on the long run, it will really rebalance the market basically on the gold part, because gold has been going down together with US dollars fall down. So I hope that these corrections could be actually allowing gold to have its normal market reactions, where US dollar index going lower, gold could be going higher on this case, guys. Okay. So as you guys could see that the trades on the gold side has been actually quite wonderful. We are actually getting a very good rebound based on the small time frame charts. And what I'm seeing on the market is very clear, guys. It's actually showing us pretty good consolidations on this side of the charts, and I would say we're actually getting this double bottom. I would say this rebound, this area, so it's actually a very good signs coming out. So on the short term, we could be actually getting this pretty healthy consolidations near here, and then it could be rebounding back higher, guys. So that's what I'm saying on the gold market right now for today. And it's totally a different scenario happening on the silver chart, so that's why I'm not giving out any signals on the silver market. But certainly we hit a good profit on the silver trades last night, even though it's not much, just around 15 pips, but it's still quite much, guys. Okay, so we have already entered our trade near 2646, 2647. So if you guys are interested, you guys could still follow us on the trades. We are still entering the trades just quite early, but certainly that's one thing that I need to tell you guys, that today's current entry price is almost similar with yesterday. So I'm expecting there could be some resistance near 2650, and we have already put pretty reasonable stop losses near 2630 plus. So in order we could circumvent any market direction that could be leading us to a bigger volatility, and then we could be seeing gold market going higher. Okay, so that's the analysis on what I'm seeing on the gold market. Certainly if there's some corrections, we are already prepared. We've already put our stop losses, and certainly market direction have, I would say, been in this sideways ranges from Monday, I would say. Okay, so from Monday, Tuesday, it has been moving from 2600 towards 2650. So that could be the same case happening for tonight, but we'll wait and see. Certainly we've already put our trades, so we'll be just letting it run its own, guys. Okay, so if you guys have any other questions that you guys are interested, or if you guys have any other opinion that you guys wanted to share with me, or something that you guys wanted to discuss, I'm happy to engage with you guys on the discussions and share your opinions with me, and I'm happy to have a discussions with you guys. So just let me know on the comments, and I'll be happy to have a discussions with you guys, anything related to trading, guys. Okay, alright, so we have already been discussing about gold, US dollar index, silver. So I think the best case scenario right now is we try to look at the Forex market for now, guys. Okay, why I'm saying that? Because Forex market could be offering something that we guys could do. Okay, so it turns out that today's currency market has been quite mixed, I would say, and certainly Japanese yen started to weaken, There could be something coming on the market in terms of the news side that really helped to push down prices, but so far I'm not seeing it. So I think that could be the case where the escalations on the geopolitical side started to slow down on the Middle East as well as the Russian side. So we could be actually looking at the possibility. Okay, GBP JPY, I know you love GBP JPY. Okay, so I'll be taking a look on it deeper. So GBP JPY, okay, started to rebound. We are seeing the Japanese yen go weaker. So like I said yesterday, Tipa, that we actually see GBP JPY could be actually forming a topping phase on the bigger time frame, as I've said, and we are likely to wait for some rebounds to be actually confirming there could be a reversal. So like I said, and certainly right now, you guys open up on the charts of the GBP JPY, we are looking at a possible reversal. Like I said, we are not getting any confirmations until we see a reversal with a very valid confirmations coming out from the volume analysis side. So right now, it's not the closing day yet, and certainly tomorrow we'll be having consumer confidence data as well as a Japanese inflation data that could be really affecting the Japanese yen market. So from my own opinion, it's just the start of a small rebound, but it doesn't mean anything much yet in terms of trend, because trend could take at least a few days, so 3 to 5 days, to really show the real trend. Certainly right now it's still on this downtrend sideways. So in minor trend, it's still ongoing this sideways. The secondary trend is still going on this downtrend direction. So from what I'm seeing today, it's just practically a very good basis of a downtrend theory, where we are actually looking at swing high, swing low, swing high. I would say lower high, lower low on the market right now. So this is the case why I'm seeing it. This could be giving us another rebound, and then we could be seeing prices going low. But we need to wait and see how the price reacts afterwards. If it could break out higher than this downtrend channel, it could be the clear confirmations that we are trying to get coming up from the GBP JPY. If it break out higher than, let's say, 193.4, and maybe if you guys are, maybe Tipa, I'm not sure you are a scalper or swing trader, but certainly if you wanted to trade in the longer run, I will be happy to wait for the confirmations breaking out higher than 193.35, or I will be just trying to wait to see how it reacts near 193.3 to get that confirmations if you guys have the time to trade, because usually I'll be taking my time, see how the market, how the price actions reacts near the resistance area. See, there's a possible scenario we could be seeing that GBP JPY could be going faster and higher, breaking the resistance. Then I will be making sure I'll be putting the buy trade. Before that happens, from my opinion, for a swing trader, I'll be much happy to see this swing low, swing high is still there. So you are in trader, so intraday trader, so possibly I would say you are aiming for short-term basis gains. Certainly this could be a small rebound towards 193.5. Let's say it didn't reach 193.5, it could be at least reaching around 193. So you can try to aim for that. It's not far away, it's around 600 pips, 600 yen, I would say. So you can try to do that if you are trying to find this small rebound, but certainly I will be much more on the waiting side since I won't be trying to do trades, mostly on the short-term trades, guys. Okay, so I hope that helps you, Tipa. So from my own opinion, I'm still seeing this is a slightly scenario coming out from the downtrend theory. We are still seeing lower high, lower lows, and until we get the confirmations breaking out higher than 193.35, we are likely to wait and see for now. Suddenly, you guys, if you do intraday trades, you could definitely try to make the rebound, reaching 193 near there. You could still aim for that. Okay, so back towards the market. So let us go back towards the currency strength chart, see what has been happening on the market. So definitely we are seeing that the Japanese yen started to weaken before we are entering the Japanese yen inflation data tomorrow. So Japanese inflation could be really affecting a lot on the Japanese yen currencies. And certainly we are seeing the Canadian dollar going up very fast, and I'm seeing a similar trend where we are seeing that for the commodities currencies such as the Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar has been quite strong for today if you guys compare to the other currencies such as USD, GBP, Euro has been quite weakened compared against the commodities currency. So the commodities currency is coming out from the Canadian dollar, coming out from the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar, because those three countries are big exporters of commodities and each of them has their own specialties. So certainly if the economy is not doing very well on the global basis, this currency usually don't really do well because they really depend a lot on their commodities to export them out. So that's why they are nicknamed as the commodities currencies. So maybe we could try to see how it's going, but on the short term I think it's the same case if we are trying to compare on the Japanese yen trades, guys, because after going down quite fast, it's a pretty normal case we'll be seeing a rebound coming. As you guys could see, we're actually looking at the same thing happening across all of these trades. Likely to see a small rebound after falling down quite fast over the last 3 days. So it's the same case for almost every single currency trades, guys. Okay. So as usual, let me remind you guys, if you guys love our market analysis, market outlook, trading signals, and I'm happy if you guys engage with the discussions with me, because otherwise it won't be feeling lively. You guys could give us your likes. I already seen you guys giving us your support, giving us your likes, giving us your thumbs up. Thank you very much, guys. And if you guys really love what we are sharing, you guys could give us a thumbs up, follow us if you guys haven't followed yet, and share this video with anyone that you guys know who are doing tradings, because I believe that market analysis definitely could be helpful for that. Okay. So certainly what we are looking at, the Japanese yen market has been quite clear. It's been quite strengthening over the last few days, and a small rebound is, I would say, necessary to really complete that downtrend if it happens. So we are likely to wait and see how the trends work later on. So what can we do on the trades? I'm actually looking at the possibility that US dollar started to go stronger. And what is the weakest pair that is forming right now is, I think it's coming out from the US dollar CHF. So US dollar CHF has been moving quite well, and let us check on the small time frame. So based on the small time frame, it has actually been breaking out of its downtrend channel on this minor trend. So this could be actually give us something to trade, guys. Okay. Either this is a false breakout, which we could be selling it, or we could be trading it longer. So it really gives a lot of things happening. If you guys are looking at short term, it's really tricky. So that's why I like to really just span out, try to look at the bigger time frame to get a clear view of the market. So for now, like I said, US dollar index has gone up quite fast, and I'm not looking at the possibility that the US dollar index has the room to go stronger and stronger, and certainly a false breakout is likely and prevalent to happen. So in this case, I'll be waiting for confirmations. Why? If these trades and US dollar index could be going weaker, I'm actually looking at the possibility coming out on the market that we're actually having the topping phases in most of the currency pairs against the US dollar. So this could be going down low pretty fast, and I'm happy to wait, get the confirmations that we need, and then we could do that big short against the US dollar trades. And certainly after getting the confirmations, we could be making a lot of money trading it lower, because US dollar index against the Swiss franc is pretty much clear indications where we are looking at the Swiss franc is pretty weak, And so it really depends on the strength or the weaknesses appearing in the US dollar to really see whether the currency trade has been quite weak on the US dollar or not. Okay, so you guys could see this is the case where I'm saying if it breaks down then this, we could be actually seeing the possibility that the US dollar index could start weakening and going lower back to its, let's say, the support around 0.87 US dollar per Swiss franc. So that could be the case happening right now. Okay, so I will be back on the gold chart. Certainly there's not a lot of things that I could say for now. We are waiting for confirmations coming out of trades. We are not predicting, we are trying to see how the market works out, and then we execute our trade after looking at it. Okay, so for now we have already entered our trades near here, 2646, 2647. And if you guys are interested to follow our trades, certainly you guys could follow us. It's still within the entry prices, so I welcome that you guys could join us on our trades. And if you guys have any other questions, you can let me know. AUDCHF, okay, I'll be taking a look on it, AUDCHF. But certainly if you guys want to follow our trades here, there you go guys, welcome to our live streaming sessions. And I welcome you guys to follow our trading signals, and if you guys wanted to get the clear versions of this trading signal, make sure that you guys check out our profile, click on that link for the clear details of these trading signals guys, okay? Alright. And certainly if you love what you have been hearing, our market analysis, market outlook, trading signals, trading ideas, you can give us your likes, your support, give us a thumbs up like you guys did, like Tipa did. Thank you very much. And certainly you guys could share this video with anyone you guys know that is doing trading, and I know that market analysis sometimes could be helpful for them to hear other opinions, second opinions related to the market. Alright, so let us try to look out. So if you guys have any other questions related to trading like Tipa did, if you guys wanted to ask any certain trading pairs, I'm happy to answer any of your questions guys. So just let me know in the comments, or if you guys have anything that you guys want to discuss with me related to trading, whether it's related to trading psychology, trading money management, or if you guys are interested, let's say, on individual stocks or stock indices, I'm happy to discuss it with you guys and let you guys know what are my opinions on it. Okay, so for now, let us take a pick of you on the AUDCHF. So what has been happening on AUDCHF? So I think I've never even touched on this topic before. So let me have a draw on it first. So AUDCHF actually has been quite in a big downtrend. Certainly, why is that the case? Because Swiss franc has been quite strong over the last few months, few years, because inflation has been quite slow. And with that, they actually see their currency has been going quite strong over the past few years. And we are seeing that Australian economy hasn't been doing very well, and as a result, it has been actually been going down on this big downtrend since the peak at 2022. And on the short-term basis, it's still showing us this downtrend reaction as well in terms of the minor trends that we are looking at, which is showing it here. So certainly the market is still going lower. That is one thing I could say for sure. On the bigger time frame, it's still showing that it's going down lower. However, over the last few weeks, it has been just trading in this sideways range, I could say. So with that, I could say for sure if you're an intraday trader, this could be a very exciting trade, especially try to sell above here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, guys. Okay, so that could be a very good case where you guys could do this kind of trades on the AUD CHF. Especially we are seeing some strength coming back from the commodities currency over the last few weeks. So certainly trading against the CHF could actually be a very clear indicator how the market is actually behaving on certain currency, guys. Okay, since the CHF hasn't been moving that much, and actually it could be quite a neutral indicator on the market. Okay, Mikas, how can I read the candlestick? So if I'm going to explain the whole thing, how you guys could read candlestick, it will be quite much and it could be quite long. But certainly, I highly suggest that you guys could buy a book or try to find trading materials outside where you could actually be getting a lot of information, and just by absorbing the books on the content of the materials, sometimes it's quite beneficial for you guys. But okay, since you are already here and you guys wanted to learn how you guys could read the candlestick, I'll be teaching you guys something. So basically on the candlestick, it's a very clear thing. I'm using candlestick formations here, and usually you'll be looking at something similar with this. On the market, you'll be seeing a rectangle. Certainly this is the case. And basically, if you're looking at the green candlestick, it's usually showing that the low side of the candle is the opening prices, the above is the closing prices. And if you guys sometimes could see something similar with, I would say, a line. So usually you'll be seeing a line. So if this line is above it, it has been showing that prices has been reaching the high of it, but it closes lower. But I haven't been able to find anything similar with that I could use to show you guys, but I hope you got the idea. So basically, I would say candlestick is showing you guys how price action has been moving that day. So let's say you guys do see, oops, it's not the right one. Yes, I've been recommending buy gold. I will be back on that with you guys, so wait for a moment. So basically, if you guys look at candlestick and you guys see a top wick like the ones that I've been drawing here, it has been showing that prices have been going higher, but it closes lower. So basically, we are seeing when the candlestick starts, it will be just a plain candlestick, and then when prices goes higher, it will be going higher up towards here, and then when it closes lower, it will be stopping here for the day, or depends on the time frame that you are looking at. So sometimes you could be seeing something with a candlestick such as this that you are looking at right now on the charts. So this is actually showing you guys how the prices have been moving in ranges for today and how it closes for the day. So if it actually, let's say you do look at candlestick at the low side of the chart with a very long wick like you guys see here in this slide, it's actually showing that there's a lot of support and people are actually seeing this as a very good buy range. Why I'm saying that? Because usually if prices have started to rebound from the low of it and it closes higher, it shows that this prices is considered as a support. Meanwhile, if you see the opposite thing happening, let's say you see a big candlestick at the top of the charts with a very long wick on the top side, it actually shows that a lot of selling pressures above. If it's showing a long wick on the bottom side, on the lower side of the charts, it's actually showing you guys that there's a lot of buying demand and it has been able to help prices to go higher. So I think that's a very simple analogy that you guys how to read the candlestick. But certainly candlestick is not just doing that, because sometimes you need to understand candlestick based on 3 candlesticks and then chart patterns on many candlestick patterns as well. So maybe you guys could start to learn. If you guys wanted to learn more, certainly you guys find a book, start reading how you guys could read the candlestick, because there's a lot of things and a lot of concepts on candlesticks. Usually there will be a chart patterns on 2 candlesticks, 3 candlesticks, or just 1 candlesticks, and then you could see chart patterns based on the formations it's forming. So I know that there could be some materials out there, so you guys could easily find it. Nowadays a lot of materials are out there. Certainly a book could be really helpful. So there's a chart pattern named as the double top, so that is one of the signs. If there's a double top, there will be a double bottom, and a lot of key materials that you guys could learn out there. So I hope this helps you, but certainly I hope this could help you begin your journey how to understand how you guys could understand candlestick works. Okay, so back to the Australian dollar CHF. Certainly, like I said, I'm not looking at a very clear trend, honestly, deeper, and I'm looking at a possibility sideways movement unless we get a clear confirmation breaking down lower than the support and closest below the resistance. Then we are actually looking at the possibility that AUD CHF could be going lower. Okay, I hope that helps you, Tipa. And Kaka will be back on the gold chart. So if you guys wanted to find trading ideas that you guys could use right now, you guys could follow our trades. We have already put up the trade signals here for tonight on the trades here, and we already put a buy signal on this side of the chart. So you guys are welcome to follow our trades. And if you guys wanted to find out more how to trade, you could also check out our profile and click says you guys wanted to learn how you guys could trade. We are happy to provide those kind of services for you guys as well. So just check out our profile, click on that link and join our free trading channel, so you guys could understand how we actually find our signals and how we put our trades. And if you guys wanted to find out more services as well, you're welcome to contact us and say you guys wanted to learn how you guys to trade, how to view the market. Certainly we will be able to help you on that aspect as well. Okay, so before we are touching towards just now AUD CHF, we have already been talking about gold, talking about silver, talking about US dollar index, and certainly I've already been talking about the main key points coming up from Japanese yen, what we could expect. We could be expecting some small rebounds over the last few days after going down quite fast over the last 3 to 4 days, depending on the currencies and against which pairs. And certainly I'm expecting a small rebound, and then we could be seeing the clear market reactions coming up from there. And right now we are back on the gold chart, and certainly I'll be touching on Bitcoin market because a lot of people are interested in Bitcoin over the last few weeks or last few months, and certainly it's a big topic on the market. So I'll be discussing about that. And certainly if you guys have been enjoying what we have already been teaching you guys, how to look at the candlesticks, how to look at the market, you guys could give us a support by giving us a like, thumbs up. Thank you very much. I've seen you guys giving us a support. Thank you very much, guys. And certainly you guys could follow us if you haven't followed us, so you guys could get notified when we ever do our live streaming sessions. And share this video with your friends and family or anyone you guys know doing trading. Certainly market analysis will be helpful for their trading side as well. And if you guys have any other questions like Mikas has, like Tipa has, or anyone who got any questions or any concerns, or you guys wanted to discuss with me anything related to market, maybe you guys are interested in stocks, cryptocurrencies, individual stocks, wherever you are, I could check it out for you guys and help you guys to look up for. And yeah, just anything, guys. Okay, as long as it's related to trading, I'm happy to help you guys. Okay. So if you guys wanted to get these clear versions of this trading signal, make sure that you guys check out our profile, click on that link so you guys could get the clear detailed version of these trading ideas right now on your phone. Alright, so what's next on the market? So like I said, what do I think about Phantom Wallet? So it's really based on cryptocurrencies. So I'm not sure what is Phantom Wallet, but I think it's a coin, I believe, guys. Okay, so that could be a part of coin, but I'm not sure. Okay, so there's no Phantom coin, so it's just on Theta, I believe, on the Gate IO. So it's not Solana. Okay, Solana, I'm not really into very deep into cryptocurrencies, but certainly if you guys are asking about Solana prices, I'll be happy to help you guys to take a look on it. So Solana has actually been moving quite well over the last few weeks, but certainly prices hasn't been doing very well on the last few days, guys. Okay, so prices on the Solana hasn't been moving very well, and I would be wait and see to see how the market works, guys. Okay, so certainly it has been breaking out higher and higher, but it's already been hitting the high prices, I would say. So it actually hit the resistance area around this price. So as long as prices just started consolidate on Solana, we are likely to see prices to remain quite high, because after going quite fast, correction is a very normal thing. So this is very good, I would say, a support area right now that you are looking at. And as long as prices didn't suddenly drop below 220, I'm seeing that Solana could still be going higher, guys. So don't worry about that if you guys are still holding Solana. And certainly Muhammad has been asking about what is the best apps or website to do trading. Honestly, it's really depending on you or where you guys are located at, because usually some of the things that are the best is not available in one country or another. But TradingView is one of the good things if you guys wanted to do analysis like what I'm doing right now. It has a lot of tools related to it. And what are the best trading apps out there? So actually, we are also part of a brokerage platform named as YCH, and certainly I'm using that platform to trade. So I highly suggest if you guys wanted to open an account, you guys could also check us out, try to use our account, because we have a lot of exclusive services that we could provide to you guys. And other than our own platform YCHpro, there's a lot of good brokerage account that you guys could register outside as well. Certainly sometimes for analysis point of view, I will be looking at TradingView, then I will be doing trades on our own account platform named YCHpro. So if you guys are interested on opening an account with us, certainly you guys could get a lot of benefits such as bonus on your deposits and a lot of things other than trading signals. You guys could be actually getting exclusive trading signals out of me and also other traders that we are actually in there. So if you guys open an account, you will be getting a lot of benefits as well. So you guys are welcome to check us out and ask me or ask our contact service for more information, certainly, if you guys wanted to get more information. But out there, if you guys are trading stocks, I know that Interactive Brokers is quite a good brokerage if you guys do trading on stock market. On the Forex sites, you could also trade using our own platform, YCHpro. You could also check out. Can't get that account without a password. Yeah, certainly you couldn't get an account without a password, so you need to register, I would say, and then you can get that account without a passport. Okay, maybe you could let us know. You mean our YCHpro account, John Boy? If that's the case, you can let me know and tell me more stuff, because can get that account with that passport. Okay, certainly we can try to help you with that registration process, John Boy. So there's a lot of things going on in the market, and certainly there's a lot of things that you guys could do. But if you guys couldn't register with an account, probably you guys could provide us your other contact information so you guys could register an account with us. I hope that's the case, John Boy. And certainly if you guys trading, yeah, usually you can use your ID card to register an account, John Boy. I think there wouldn't be a problem on that side, guys. Okay, Okay, so what else on the market? It seems market started to slow down a little bit, but maybe we could be getting a lot of reactions after our live streaming sessions, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys stay tuned, because after my live streaming sessions there will be another trader who will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions, guys. So make sure that you guys stay tuned. We have Jaden, and maybe you guys do trade on smart money concepts. Certainly Jaden is the one that you guys could look out for. He could give guys analysis based on smart money concepts, and certainly he could help you to view the market on that kind of perspective. I only have driver license, birth certificate. I think driver's license, but I mean, logically, people usually will have their ID cards, John Boy. I don't really understand how could you have a driver's license without an ID card. I think if you guys want to register anything, you need to have an ID card before any other things such as driver's license. That's what I know usually, guys. Okay, so maybe you can let us know, try to give out something that could be actually registered as your official document. You could tell us your problems, and maybe you can provide us something other than the ID card. Maybe driver's license could be one of the case. So you can try to contact us and let us know, guys. Okay, so I'll be helping you guys on that side if you guys have any trouble. Okay, I'll let the guys know this problem and see how they can help you later on, John Boy. Okay, make sure you just keep in touch with us and tell us what you guys could register with. Okay, so I'll tell them this problem. Okay, so what has been happening on the gold market is gold market started to slow down. Overall, we're still within our entry prices, but I'm still expecting gold prices could be going higher, because right now from my view, I'm seeing a good bottoming phases on this side of the charts, and actually there's a good chances gold prices could be going higher. Certainly based on seasonality that we are looking, we could be seeing gold prices going higher before tomorrow's Black Friday momentum. So we could be expecting one final movement of higher swing, and then we could be much more cautious tomorrow, guys. Okay, so I'll be waiting on that, see how the market works, and I'm still pretty much optimistic, guys, because if you guys open up on the daily time frame charts, you'll be seeing what I'm seeing on the market. So if you guys are looking at the daily time frame charts here, we're actually getting a lot of rebounds from the support area from 2620, 2630, 2635, and that's why I'm pretty much bullish, because market has actually been giving us a lot of rebounds areas, support areas around those prices, and I'm looking at the possibility market could be have one big swing around 2660, and before it will be going down lower. So I'm looking at this very good possible scenario happening on the market. That you guys could do. Okay, so that's why I'm still pretty much optimistic, and see how it goes, guys. Okay, because based on the daily time frame, it has been showing us a lot of support around 2620, 2630, and I'm looking at prices should be going higher as a result. Even though I said we are looking at the possible topping phases, but it's not going to be a big drop down instantly. It's going to be a lower swing, lower high, lower swing, and right now we are still in the phases of a lower swing high area, but towards this topping phases, certainly we are likely to see it happening soon, guys. Okay, but I think it's before the Black Friday, and we could make some bucks coming out of this trade, guys. Okay, and right now let us discuss Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin has been quite a topic and we haven't been in touch too much on that topic for tonight, so I'll be giving you guys a little bit of update on the Bitcoin side for tonight. Bitcoin market. So what has happened on the Bitcoin market? So after going through yesterday's consolidation, and we have already given you guys a possible price entry yesterday before prices has been going higher, guys. Okay, so as you guys could see on this chart, we have actually been giving you guys some clues that you guys could trade and I hope that you guys yesterday have been making the trades, because based on yesterday's trade signal, you guys could be actually getting around $4,500 per Bitcoin if you guys have executed the trades based on our entry prices yesterday. So actually yesterday has been quite a positive trade. We have already been making trades on gold, silver, US stock market, Bitcoin, and all of it is in a very positive results, in a very good form of the trades. And it's a very good thing because market is very bullish right now, even though we are likely to see market to slow down afterwards, but certainly right now we could take a use and see how the market reacts. Okay, so yesterday was quite a good trade for us to make trades on the Bitcoin market, and right now prices started to slow down, certainly after going through consolidations, and I'm expecting market movement to move in this kind of directions afterwards, because it's a very normal thing for market to start to slow down in this kind of reactions. So I'm expected to see market slow down in this kind of formation, I would say. So I'm expecting prices to move in these kind of reactions later on. So there will be some small consolidations forming on the Bitcoin, and definitely there you guys could try to find a good entry point before executing the trade later on. So I'm looking at this as part of the trade. So I'm seeing this possible scenario happening on this Bitcoin chart later on. And then it could be breaking higher later on. So it's going to take some time, because sometimes you won't be getting that instant breakout on the market, but certainly market reaction has been quite well. You are getting a very healthy consolidations coming out of market, and you guys could still find a good entry point later on. So either you can try to wait and buy around 95,000 later on, or you guys could try to wait for the consolidations back towards 91,000, 92,000, like the ones that we did yesterday on yesterday's live streaming sessions. And you guys who have been here, I believe that most of you guys could be getting those signals as well yesterday. So if you guys don't want to miss out such signal like the ones that we are sharing yesterday, make sure that you guys follow us, so you guys will be notified whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions. And certainly you guys could also like us, give us your support by giving us a thumbs up. And if you guys do think what we have been sharing has been helpful for you guys, has been helpful for your trades, you could also share this video with anyone that you guys know who is doing trading. Certainly market analysis video could be helpful for them. And we are doing these live streaming sessions daily from Monday to Friday together with you guys, so make sure that you guys stay tuned every day if you guys have the time for it. And certainly if you guys do trading, I hope I get to see you guys every day on this live streaming sessions, guys. Okay, certainly your likes, your support, it means a lot to us, so thank you very much guys for your likes, for your support. And if you guys are new and you guys haven't followed us yet, and you guys don't want to miss out on other trading opportunities, I highly suggest that you guys could follow us, so you guys won't miss out on other trading signals in the future. Okay, so for now I'll be wait and see, because prices has been quite high. It hasn't been able to show us any good price entry around here. So I'll be moving on towards the next topic on the US stock market. US stock market has actually been giving us a profit as well yesterday. So yesterday we also made profit of around, per lot we actually made around the high at 45,000. So we made around 250 pips, guys, $200 per lot, and it's quite a big amount on the US stock market, because US stock market has that leverage that you guys wouldn't get. So yesterday we made around $250 on just this one single trade on the US dollars market, US30, because I'm seeing that market has been quite positive. It has been going quite fast compared to SP 500, compared to Nasdaq, and we have been able to make money out of the trades, guys. Okay, So if you guys don't want to miss out, certainly you guys could check out our profile, click on that link, because on that link we are sharing with you guys tons of trading ideas that you guys could use on your phone. And you guys could do the trades right now just by following our trading signal channel. So as you guys could see that yesterday's signal is back towards its entry prices, because yesterday prices entry is around 44,750 and we are right now back into 44,760 guys. So if you guys are watching these live streaming sessions, you guys could consider doing this trade. However, let us open on a smaller time frame, try to see whether the same thing still applies, because yesterday I'm seeing good things happening on the market and that's why I'm recommending you guys to do the trade. However, things have started to change obviously, and what I'm seeing right now on this US stock market is actually showing the consolidation hasn't been that well compared to yesterday. So I don't really highly suggest that you guys could do the trades, but if you guys are interested to do the trade, it still offers you guys the same risk reward ratio as yesterday guys. Okay, so I welcome you guys to do the trade if you guys are interested to do so. But from my side, I will be waiting for confirmations after breaking up higher than 44,800. Then you guys could do the trades and it won't be too late. You guys could still aim for the same 45,000 target, 45,200 target as well. So you guys could still do that same trade. But from my side, I'll be happy to wait if you guys haven't entered the trade, waiting for the confirmations after breaking up higher. Because yesterday I'm looking at that same thing, seeing the breakout 44,800, then I execute the trades on the US30 market. Okay, so let us check out on the other US stock market side. Maybe we could be getting something to trade as well. Okay, so the US 500 has actually been moving quite well, honestly, I would say. Getting that consolidations on this side of the charts and been moving higher ever since. And right now, if you guys open up, I could be actually getting some good signs on it, because I'm looking at this possible ascending triangle. That could be one of the good trading idea right now. US 500 could be one of it, and maybe right now I could be checking out on the US 100, or known as Nasdaq. See how it works. And certainly what I'm looking at the US 500 is totally different from what I'm looking at US 500. So I think US 500 is a much better option for us to trade for tonight. So if you guys are interested, you guys could try to buy around 6,000, put the stop losses just below 5,980. But if you guys wanted to get this clear informations, I hope to see you guys type in signals, and I think I'll be sharing the signal on the US stock market. So if you guys are interested, you guys could type in signal in the comments, and I'll be giving you guys the trading ideas for the US 500 trades for tonight. Okay, so if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments, type in signal, and I'll be giving you guys the signals on this US 500 trades for you guys. But for now, let us go back towards the gold trade. It hasn't been moving much, but certainly we are going into the right directions from what I could be seeing on the market right now. So I'm looking at these possible double bottom formations, and it has been actually quite a good trade for us. Prices are still within our entry prices, hasn't been moving quite much. We're entering the trades near the current prices, so I'm expecting prices should be going higher later on. So make sure if you guys are just joining us, you are very lucky, you're still very fortunate to enter at the prices that we are still entering, and prices hasn't been switching much from the ones that we are entering the trades. So make sure that you guys don't miss out on it. You guys could still follow our trades, and if you guys are interested to get even more trading ideas, definitely I would recommend that you guys check out our profile, click on that link so that you guys could get the clear versions of these trading ideas and more free trading signals just for you guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys check out on it if you guys wanted to get more trading signals, and it's all for free and all for you. And if you guys have anything that you guys wanted to ask me related to trading, and if you guys wanted to discuss with me anything related to the market, whether it's individual stock indices, anything, you're welcome to have a discussions with me, and I'm happy to have a discussions with you guys. And if you guys have been loving what we have been sharing, what we have been talking, you guys could give us your support by giving us your likes, giving us your thumbs up. It really means a lot to us, guys. Thank you very much for your support all throughout these live streaming sessions and every day. And certainly you guys could also share this video with your friends, your family, or anyone you guys know who is doing trading. This kind of market analysis video could be helpful for them. And don't forget to follow us, and don't forget to check out our profile if you guys wanted to get the clear details of this trading idea on your phones right now, and also many other trading signals, all for free and for you guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys check it out, and it's all for free, so there's no harm for checking it out. Okay, MBS shop, you buy at around 2,645, so that's a very good thing. You're entering near our entry prices, and we have already put out these trading ideas for you guys. So if you guys are interested, you guys could check out our profile, check out these trading ideas specifically, and you guys could get an idea where you guys could take profit at what kind of prices that you guys are interested to take profit at. So if you guys wanted to get this clear version of this trading plan, you know where to find out. Check our profile, click on that link, guys. Okay, alright, so it will be another 7 minutes, and there will be another trader who will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions, guys. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, and he will be explaining the market in his style. He's a much more of a smart money concept and value gaps and liquidations. So if you guys are interested in that kind of trading concepts, make sure that you guys wait out and wait for Jaden to give out insights on the market based on that kind of market analysis with you guys. And definitely, if you guys are loving what you guys have been hearing on the overall market analysis, because we have already been doing the live streaming sessions over the last 1 hour, certainly you guys could give us a likes, give us a thumbs up if you guys think what we have been sharing has been helpful. And certainly if you guys have anything related to trading, anything related to the market that you guys are interested to discuss, of any questions, you guys can let me know on the comments, guys, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. Okay, okay. Okay, Patrick, welcome. If you have any questions, you can let me know, guys. Okay, welcome to our live streaming sessions, guys, and let us see and wait how the market reacts. Certainly market started to slow down. we already put our stop losses, guys. Okay, so I won't be too worried. We'll have a little bit of volatility how the market works, and see how the market works later on. Certainly, we've already put the clear trading plans for you, so you guys could execute the trades from what we are seeing in the market. Okay, so in another 4 minutes, I'll be ending my live streaming sessions and continuing it to Jaden, who will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions. So don't worry, make sure that you guys wait down and stay tuned, because Jaden will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions. Okay, so what is happening on the gold market? So it seems that the gold market started to weakening a bit on the market. So as you guys could see, started to slow down, and we could be getting some consolidations near 2640, 2642, and then we could be seeing prices to go higher later on. But we have already put our entry prices and all of the things that is required, so I won't be too worried on the trades, and I'll be happy to let the trades run on its own. And certainly you guys could check out the clear versions of this trading plan on our profile and join our trading signal, and it's all for free, so you guys could check out on that site. And right now, if we're opening on the silver charts, as I've said, I don't have any comments on it yet for now, because prices hasn't been moving quite well compared to gold, and I'm happy to give out the trades just on gold for now. But overall, we are starting to see some rebounds as well, so I'm hoping and seeing the possibility it could spread down to gold for tonight as well. And the next thing that I've discussed with you guys is coming up from Bitcoin market. Bitcoin market has actually been doing quite well. We've already been entering the trades, and right now we could actually be getting a consolidations near here, and then it could be breaking out higher than there. So as you guys could see, yesterday we are able to make a total of $4,500 per Bitcoin. So if you guys have been following us, and certainly we have already shared the signal when we are still within the entry prices. Right now, I'm looking at the possibility we could be getting a slowdown back towards 92,000. So I'll be biding my time, see how the prices react, and then we could be entering the trades later on the market. Okay, certainly Bitcoin, I'm still very much bullish on the market, and I'll be waiting for the right time and the right situations to enter the trades on the Bitcoin market again, guys. Okay, and if you guys wanted to get more of this kind of signals, make sure that you guys check out our profile and don't miss out on any other trading ideas that we are sharing to you guys, and it's all for free, guys. Okay, and I believe that we do discuss about the USD with you guys, but from my own opinion right now, I'm waiting for much more confirmations of it breaking higher. But certainly prices are back towards our entry prices right now. So if you guys don't want to miss out on this, you guys could still enter the trade based on the entry prices that we have already shared with you guys. And certainly you guys could do this trade and put the same stop losses. And if you guys wanted to get the further target price, you could check out our profile, click on that link, so you guys could get the clear version of this trading plan. Because it's still valid, it's still running, and you guys could still enter the trades based on yesterday's signal, and you guys could make the same profit target as we guys do yesterday. So make sure you guys check that out and don't miss out on this second opportunity at the same entry prices that I've been sharing with you guys. And certainly I'm seeing good things happening on the US 500, so certainly you guys could also make some positions on it. I'm seeing good stuff happening. We could be actually seeing this ascending triangle, and it could be going higher and higher afterwards. Alright, so I think that is the recap of what we have been talking for tonight on several trading markets, and certainly it's a very positive market for tonight. We are seeing possible market going higher before the Black Friday, guys. Okay, so our trading plan, the main star for today on the gold market, is still running, and I'm expecting prices to go higher later on. So I'm expecting a small consolidations in the current hours, because during this time prices are a bit slow, and it could be a bit faster later on the market. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, because Jaden will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions with you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoy it later on. So certainly Jaden will be guiding you guys, giving you guys live trading signals, and you guys could use on your trading as well. Okay, so I hope to see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow will be the last day of the week. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow, and we'll be ending the week with good profits as well. Okay, so I'll be passing on to Jaden for now, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. See you there.
Let's begin today live sessions. Okay, so right now let's talk about what we have been announcing and what we have been talking about. So as we already mentioned, we need to have a weekly bias. So what is the weekly bias perspective? Okay, weekly bias is actually giving you what is the direction of the week. So as we already mentioned, this week is the last week of November. So we are currently expected that the market will be facing some kind of ranging area. So right away, yesterday, where what we have been saying, yesterday we have been saying that the price will be reaching through here, going through this order block, okay, order block area, and where does the price will be going to the average price, okay. So where is the average price? The average price will be around this area, okay. So giving you some thoughts, I actually do some positions right away. We yesterday has been doing long on the AUD and also long on the SP 500. And right now we have been doing a little bit short positions right away. It's a little bit risky to be honest, but later on I'll be talking about why I'm quite okay to do shorts about. But let's talk about from the bigger time frame. Okay, so let's talk about the bigger time frame and getting you guys know what is going on. So from here, let's talk about the market situations and so on. Okay, okay, so why I do shorts? Okay, everyone, do you really talk why that I have been doing shorts? Okay, so the main purpose is that the main purpose that I'm doing short is that I'm looking through the whole picture. Okay, so let's go through. This is the order footprint, but we will be using a candlestick right now. So we'll be using candlesticks. So from this point onwards, as we already mentioned, the market will be going back to this balance. So you can see that a balance and rebalancing. So what we can see the rebalancing from this point onwards. So we can see this is the less liquidity area. So we can see it's actually less liquidity area. Rebalancing back and the price will be going back to the balance area. Okay, so once the price has been going through this balance area, so what we can expect, the price will be going to this. So this is what we call the standard deviations. So what does it mean by that? Meaning by that is that the market usually will be going through the this standard deviation area. So for example, this area. Okay, so this is actually what we call the standard deviation area. Okay, this area. So this is the most volume area. So once the price has been reaching through, will be expected that the price will be reaching back to this area. Okay, so once the price has been reaching through this area, then what we can expect, the price will be going back and rebalancing back to the upwards. So using this, we can see that this is actually a rebalancing phase, but using much more details, we'll be using a volume footprint, and you can see that it's actually giving us a really good indicator that the price will be going through a downsides. So from here, you can see that this is the actual imbalance area. So you can see it's actually around, maybe you can say that it's around 2654, that kind of area. So you can see this is the red line. Red line is actually indicating that the price will be having an imbalance area from this. So you can see is that 265453, that kind of area, and the price has been forming a ranging area, balance area, and then what has happened? The price has been reaching back towards the downwards momentum. Okay, using back to the 50 minutes, you can see that there's a lot more informations behind of it. So for example, right here, you can see that it's actually have much more informations. Okay, it gives us a really good indicator. So for example, from here onwards, we can see that the price is actually uh, forming a going ups, and you can see that this is the imbalance area. So you can see this is a lot of pressure, and the price has been forming here. It's an iceberg order. So what does mean by iceberg order? Iceberg order means that uh, there's a lot of passive selling, and the price is avoiding the price to go higher. So you can see iceberg order, and what the price has been going from the next candle has been forming a bearish candlesticks. So once the bearish candlesticks, but the delta is positive, so we can speculating that the price will be remaining back to the imbalance area. So you can see the price has been reaching through this imbalance area. Once the imbalance has been formed, and then the price has been going to and going back to the low. So from this, you can see that there's a lot of informations that we can see. Meaning by that is that there's a lot of stop order. So what is that stop loss order? Stop loss order is meaning by that is that the book sweeping. So there's a bid and ask. So from this point onwards, we can see that there's a lot of bid has been crossing on. So a lot of stop loss has been formed out. So once this stop loss has been formed, usually the market will be rebalancing back to this area, maybe around 46 to 47. So you can see this is a 0, 0, and the price is going through a really aggressive downtrend momentum. So going back 47, so what we can see right now, where does the price has been going to? 47 to 46. So right now, I'm thinking that price is actually reaching to, oh, haven't reaching to, let's see. Go. Yep. So you can see the market has been reaching to 46 to 47. So this it's giving us a really good indicator that the price is actually a rebalancing back and rebalancing to this area. So usually the price will be forming what? The price will be forming some indications that the price will be maybe going through a ranging of some sort. But we'll be using footprint order to give us an indication, see that the price is it going on the lower sides. So reaching back, you can see that the price has been reaching through this. Price momentum has been slightly going to weakening. So this is the one of the best indications going to. You can see that even though that this is the bullish candlesticks, but you can see that this is an imbalance area. Meaning by that is that there's a lot of selling pressure right here. And then this is the volume area. And this is the negative delta, even though that it's not a really big volume, but this is a really indications that the price is actually going on the lower sides. So from this point onwards, we can see that the price reaching through this imbalance and the price has been going on the low sides. So from this point onwards, we can actually assuming that this might be giving us some clue that the price is actually reversing, okay? Because you can see first the indications that this is the imbalance and the price has been giving us some kind of clue that the price is going lower, rebalancing down, and the price has been going lower. But right now we can see that the price is reaching through this balance area. So we might be indications that the price might be ranging around this area. So because of that, I'm actually quite okay to do shorts because my overall indications that the price is going lower. So apart from that, we also using the candlestick. So using candlesticks and going back to the daily time frame. So you can see going back to the daily time frame, you can see that this is actually a sweep. So you can see that the price is going sweep. So my indications is that the price is actually going lower. So you can see that the price has been going lower. So right now it's actually a rebalancing. So you can see the market is going through this low and market is rebalancing. So where does it rebalancing to? To the imbalance that we just mentioned before. So the whole story is really makes sense. And right now we just the price has been showing some indications that it might be going lower. So we need to have a risk reward ratio. Nothing is 100%. You need to know that nothing is 100%. So once this has been formed, then I'm quite okay to do shorts. So I'm doing shorts and definitely thinking that the price it's likely to reach from here. Why I'm thinking that the price will be reaching here, as we already mentioned, this is what we call the balance area. So the price usually 60-70% that the price will be reaching back to this area. So if we do shorts around this area, our stop loss maybe can put around 52 and you are getting about 29 to 28 that kind of period. So your risk reward ratio it's really, really good. So as I already mentioned, we can see that the market's performing, rebalancing out, and this is actually giving us some signs that stop loss has been rebalancing out. So this might be indications that the price might be going lower. Okay, the best scenario that you can do shorts on is that the price has been reaching through this area. Okay, maybe around 53 is the best area, but this is what we call a small try to do shorts. So we just do a short positions in this area because there's there's a possibility that the price will be directly going back to this low. Okay, that's really possible that the price will be going this low. So because of that, I just put a tight stop loss around this area. If the price do really go back above, I think I will be doing another short positions and going back to this level. You need to know that the price usually will be forming balance area. So this is the standard deviation 2, standard deviation 2, and this is the standard deviation 0. Okay, so we are likely to see that the price it's reaching back to this level. So from this, you can also see that the price from here to here, it's also the same thing as well. So we are likely to see that the price it's likely to go back to this range. So because this is the balance area and also the most volume area, so the price usually will be backing from this area. So footprint is actually giving you some signs of 3D, giving you know what is inside and what is going bullish aggressive, or maybe bearish aggressive. Okay, so remember if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We have been giving out 2 or 3 trades per week already. And right now, I think we can't say that we are on the profit right now. but we are actually on the win. I can say that we actually on the win. So AUD I'm quite okay with it because I already mentioned that the price is likely to go higher. This might take some time. Stock indexes, SP 500, we already mentioned that we are likely to do long. Okay, we have been doing long in these two areas. Price is actually maybe forming some kind of ranging because as we already know, this 2 days is actually last week of November. So we already mentioned that why last week of November it's going through a bearish moment, will be going through a ranging area. Okay, so giving you some thoughts why I'm thinking that the price on the last week of November the market will be going a ranging area. So giving you some thoughts. So we're looking through right here. So going back to the monthly candlesticks. So monthly candlesticks is actually formed from this. Okay, so this is 1 month perspective. Okay, so reaching, okay, reaching, reaching back and reaching on this side. So this is the monthly perspective. Okay, so monthly candlestick usually will be forming some kind of the most basic informations. The open, okay, so this is the open and this is the high, okay, and this is the low, okay. This is what I usually will be telling you guys, okay. So open, a high, low, and close. Okay, the price usually will be forming this kind of pattern. No matter you're using which time frame in the candlestick perspective, the price usually will be forming right here. So you can see this is the opening price. Okay, this is the opening price. This is the high price. This is the low price, and this is the closing price. So you can see that open, high, low, and close. Okay, so usually the first week of the month, okay, first week of the month, the market will be giving us some kind of ranging momentum. So for example, reaching through, this is what we call a ranging area. Okay, so we can see that every time it's going through a ranging area. And we can see that this is what we call a balance area. So the market is actually forming a balance area and giving us some clue about what is going on and so on. So we can see that the market is forming a balance area from here. Okay, balance. So the market want to push lower but fail to push lower, or maybe you can say that this is a liquidity grab of some sort. But anyway, the price is actually going lower and grabbing liquidity to liquidity, and then once the liquidity has been formed, the next week, the second week will be forming what? The forming to second or third week will be forming this kind of ranging area. I mean, what we call the trending area. So you can see that actually the second week of the month, if you do really follow our live streaming, we already mentioned that the second week of the month is the highest profit area. If you do remember, we already mentioned that the second week of the month is the most easiest trading period that we are going through. So you can see that this is what we call a trending market. Okay, so once the market has been trending, what will be happening? The price will be going the highest, grabbing the liquidity, and then will be going back to the balancing price. So you can see this is what we call the balancing price. Okay, so you can see that the market is actually forming another balancing. So from easy to understand, the market will be forming what? Balance, Im imbalance, and price discovery, and then rebalance. Okay, so this is what the price usually forms, and this is also one of the reasons why that I'm already expectations that this week the market will be going through a ranging market. Because why? Because we can see that the market has been going through this ranging from here. Okay, you can see that the market has been forming, grabbing liquidations, and then going lower, reaching through this low, and then once the price has been reaching through a certain level, then the price will be rebalancing. So we can expect it that the price is actually forming some kind of closing price around here to here. So we can see that the price is actually forming this kind of area. It's not really likely that the price will be going back lower, back to this low. So to be honest, so from this point onwards, we are speculations that price it's likely to go through a lower side and closing maybe around this area. So this is what we can say that the market is going ranging, balance, imbalance, rebalancing. So this is the whole story of the market for the monthly perspective. And weekly, daily, hourly, it's also the same as well. So remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We'll be giving out every day. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe. So follow, like, and subscribe. Okay. Okay. Follow, like, and subscribe. And remember to give us a like, follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming every day from live streaming from Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday, and what we're gonna do, it's Monday to Friday and UK time on, okay, 14 p.m. so on. Okay, and the most important thing is that if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe. So remember to give us your support. If you want to join our Signal group, okay, Signal group, you can go to our bio sections. Okay, bio sections to join our Signal group. So if you do really wanted to join our Signal group, you can go to our, okay, if you wanted to join our Signal group, you can go to our bio and can join it. Okay, we will be giving out 2 to 3 treats per day. So we have been giving out 2 to 3 treats per day. So if you do really interested on, please give us a like and subscribe. So we're giving out 2 to 3 treats a day. And our winning rate is quite high as well. So we have been giving out what is the market going on, and we also giving out we actually doing trades right away right now, and we also giving you thoughts about what our thought about. Are we doing bullish, bearish, or some sort? So you can see, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming from Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2, and join our Signal group on the bio sections. Okay, so if you don't believe me right here, so we can go by this candlestick. So we can go through by this candlestick and see what it really happens. Okay. So going back to the 4 hour time frame. So it's much more easy to see in the 4 hour time frame. So we can see the market is going a ranging area on November. So you can see the first week, boom, 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 balance. And what will happen from this point onwards? Balance. And then after that, what really happens? Imbalance. Okay, so the trending market has been start and the market has been rebalanced. And after that, the price has been reaching through what we call the balance area. Then the price is going back to the grabbing liquidations. So our thought is that the market is going trending, and also I already mentioned the second week, and second or third week it's the most easiest trades that we can get, and the market's been going lower. And then the fourth week you can see that it's much more likely to go through a ranging market. Okay, it's much more likely to go through a ranging market, and it's probably right here. Okay, and then the next month will be giving us another directions. Is it going higher or going lower? As I already mentioned, I'm much more leaning to the price is going lower and reaching through a new low. So right now the price is actually balancing out, and it's expectations that the price is going on the lower sides. Okay, so just now we already mentioned that why we have been doing short positions. So if you do remember, we already mentioned that why we have been doing shorts on the gold market. As we already mentioned that the price it's likely to form some kind of resistance, even though that this is a really risky trade. So we'll be waiting for the price, and you can see that the price has been forming some kind of resistance from here, what we call imbalance, and then the price is forming some kind of resistance. So as I already mentioned, this is a high risk trade. So what does mean by high risk trade is means that if we do trade right here, we do shorts from here, we're putting our stop loss maybe around for 40 pips, and we are getting maybe around 19 to 20 pips. As we already mentioned, this is our balance area. So if that really happens, we can get, okay, 1 to 5. Okay, so the risk reward ratio is 1 to 5. So I'm actually doing shorts because my overall the bias is shorts, and the price is actually rebalancing back to this imbalance, and the price has been reacting from. So my thought is that the price is actually giving us some clues that the price is going on the lower sides. So you need to have a whole story that why that the price is going lower and why that the price is going higher. But as I already mentioned, there's no 100%, so we need to have our edge. So what does it mean by our edge? So meaning by that is that the risk reward ratio you need to be good. So if I'm risking 40 pips, I'm getting maybe around 20 pips, 200 pips, that kind of area. So the risk reward ratio is good, and the confirmations has been giving out. So the risk measure has been giving out. So I'm quite okay with it. As we already mentioned before, gold, it's a really volatile market, so you need to be much more careful about it. But other than that, like for example, AUD/USD or maybe other pairings is much more easy because the volatility is much more lesser. So I'm quite comfortable that the price is going higher and the stock indexes is also going higher as well. So this might take some time, but nonetheless, our analysis is quite okay right away. But right now, we actually just do a long shot and see how the price react. As we already mentioned, this is what we call the price has been react, and this has been giving us um, negative delta, and the price has been going lower, and this is what we call the balance and imbalance. Now the price is going through a rebalancing. So let's see how the price react, and hopefully that we are right. If we are right, I'm thinking that we actually can get quite a big movement because this is actually grabbing liquidity. So you can see grabbing liquidity. So if we are right, I think we can get quite a huge profit from it. If we are wrong, then I'm thinking that it's still okay. So going back, you can see that from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I'm thinking that it's actually a 50-minute time frame. So going back to the 50 minutes, you can see that the market is actually forming a ranging area from here. So you can see the market is forming, price is forming ranging, and the price has been forming here and forming back to this area as well. You can see that the market is actually rebalancing back from this area. So you can see that the price is actually rebalancing out. So nonetheless, our first TP area, if you are asking me, I'm thinking that the price will be at least reaching through this area first. So if you wanted to, you can put do shots right here and putting a stop loss maybe 4 pips, 40 pips, that kind of area, and you're getting 1 to 1 or maybe 1 to 1. But if you are more aggressive, you can get much more lower, maybe around this area, 36. This risk reward ratio will be much more higher, but this is much more easy to hit on. Okay, so this is why that we do shorts on gold. We have a story behind of it, we have a backstory, and we have anything to supporting the price has been rebalancing out, and the price has been going lower, price has been going out to this balance area to rebalancing out to this area. So once the price has been rebalancing out, so what we can expect, the market is grabbing liquidations from here. So forming a liquidity, the ranging area is actually quite good because once this ranging has been formed, then we are likely to see the price to go on the lower sides, maybe around this area, to be honest. So we have been already doing shorts, okay? And if you do really like our content, please remember we have been giving out a lot of things. So we have been giving out free educations. So we have been giving out, okay, we have been giving out free educations about why I'm thinking that the market is going a ranging area. Okay, why I'm thinking that the market is going ranging area the first week, second, third week, and the fourth week will be going a ranging area. Apart from that, we already mentioned that we are likely to see the market is going through uh, follow. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be doing live streaming from Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2. You can join our Signal group on the bio sections, and we'll be giving out 2 to 3 trades a day. Hopefully, you will be enjoying it. Okay, so from this point onwards, let's see this area. Okay, we can try to see. Okay, press wrong. So let's see from the indicator volume profile. See where is the most strongest level. I think this is because what? Um, let's see the hash. Yeah, still cannot. So let's use 4 hour to see volume profile. Okay, volume profile. Let's see. Try and wow. Okay, so here it really gives us some signs of what is going on. Is there any difference with HD and what? But let's see. Okay, after that, is there any difference with this and another one? So let's see, volume profile, um, session volume profile. Think we can actually use this one. So let me use the indications. See how the price react. So we actually have an indicator for this one, volume, a season volume profile. Okay, let's see from the weekly perspective. I think we can actually just use a daily. Okay, let's see the daily time frame and the price. It's actually forming boom, 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 liquidations, boom, and going back to the low, low. Yeah, but nonetheless, I think we can just use candlestick perspective. Okay, so right away we were already doing short positions from this, and we are getting around 300 pips, 300 level. So we have been doing shots from here. Actually, we can do much more better, to be honest. If we wanted to, actually can do prefer here. But nonetheless, we already mentioned that we are likely to see a short positions. So we will be doing shots on. Okay. So remember, if you do really like our content, please, okay, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, we have been giving out a really good trading setups, and we have been explaining why that we'll be doing trades, and we'll be doing along on AUDUSD. But from the gold market perspective, we are actually expectations that the price is going low and reaching back to this balance area. So remember, if you do really like us, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so remember to give us a like, follow, and subscribe. Okay, if you want more about it, press 1. Okay, if you do really want more from our signals and our analysis, press 1. Okay, so if you do really want more about it, press 1. Okay, if you want more signals, you can just join our signal group at the bio sections. Okay, so remember, if you do really like it, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, don't trade today USD bank holiday. USD bank holiday is actually affected on the stock indexes. So stock indexes might be not really active. I might be closing out. I might be closing out, but if you do really want more signals, okay, press one, and I will be giving out another analysis that will be also giving out signals. But if you want free and also signal groups, you can also go join our bio sections. So remember, if you do really like it, please join our bio sections, and we'll be having a 2 to 3 trades a day, and our winning rates, it's really high. Okay, so you need to know that our winning rates, it's very high. Okay, winning rate, it's high. Okay, so from here you need to know that winning rate is high. Going back to red. Okay, and I'm not so sure the percentage wise, but I'm thinking that it's around 80%, 87%, that kind of area. So if you do really wanted to, remember to join our signal group on the bio sections. Okay. And if you do have any questions, feel free to ask, and I will be answering your questions. Okay. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, and also UK time. And join our signal group. Our live streaming is actually providing a lot of information, giving you clues that what is the going on the real markets, what is our trading positions right now, and we also offer signal group at the bio section. So remember, 2 to 3 trades a day, winning rates, it's about around 87%, that kind of area. So remember to join us. Okay, so maybe I can put much more clearly. So something like this. Oh, okay, put it red, and oh, okay. Okay, this one is might be a little bit hard, but yeah, okay, I think we can do like this. Okay, so remember, if you do really like it, please like and subscribe. Or if you have any questions to ask, you can also leave your comment in the comment section below. Okay, when can buy? Not really on buying, I'm actually on selling. Okay, I'm actually doing shorts. So overall, I'm doing shorts on gold, and probably will be holding much more longer and see how it really happens. We are using footprint, and we are using the we already mentioned that the market is going balance, imbalance, and after that, the market will be giving us some clue about what is going on. So if you do really trust us, remember that can uh, join our bio sections. Okay, and we already give our trades today. Okay, okay, this is a real account, everyone. Okay, not a really fake account. So we have been giving out 3 trades. Haven't closed out yet, but we actually just profit. This might be a long run, especially from the AUD and the stock indexes. But if you really want to be fast, you can join our gold market. Okay, we have been giving out really good trading signals. Okay, so if you do really follow us, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, so like and subscribe. Maybe we need to put it a little bit so you can see the profit. Okay, so we are actually winning right now. But this might take some time, or maybe let's see how the market react. Dollar index, it dollar index. Let's see. Dollar index might be going back, so this might be giving us some clue. But as I already mentioned, that the price of dollar index is probably going back to the lower sides, so the price has been going lower. Okay, so let's see. Um, if US interest rate drop, gold drop, right? Not really. If US interest rate drop, then gold will rise. I think you misunderstanding. Right now is raising rates, not dropping rates. So raising interest rates. So meaning by that is the Fed is raising interest rates. So Fed is raising interest rates. Okay. Fed is raising interest rates, and we can speculations that what will happen. Is it raising or dropping? Yeah, I think it's dropping interest rate. Yeah, yeah, no, not raising. Sorry, dropping interest rate. Wait a minute, is it dropping? Fed, yes, Federal Reserve has been raising. No, I think it's dropping interest rates. Yeah, you're right. Dropping interest rates. So dropping interest rate, dollar index will be going weakening and the gold market will be going strengthened. But you need to emphasize and also need to be aware of that is that if interest rate has been dropping, the most significantly will be happening on the stock indexes. So meaning by that is that risk assets will be going higher and risk when risk assets is going higher, then what will be really happening is putting pressure on the gold market. But right now, this is actually giving some clue that the price might be going lower. But let's see how it happens. As we already mentioned, this is a long shot. So hopefully that the price do really go lower, but this might be take some time. Okay, so let's see how the price react. Even though that the price, I think that might take some time. Okay, so let's see how it happens. Okay, so 50 minutes, we have another 30 minutes. So if the price do really close this, then the next candlesticks pros probably will be reaching back to this level. But let's see how it happens. Okay, so hopefully that everyone do really understand what we already mentioned before. We have been doing long on AUD/USD pairings. We have been doing long on the stock indexes. And right now I'm doing shorts on the gold market because I'm thinking that the market is probably going lower. As I already mentioned, I've been doing analysis for you guys that the price is actually forming this high and the price has been breaking through this low, grabbing this balance area. So right now it's rebalancing out. So once the price has been rebalancing out, I'm not thinking that the price will be reaching back to this level. To be honest, not quite likely. Not quite likely will be reaching back. So because of that, I'm much more leaning to do shorts. Okay, so leaning to do shorts and probably will be reaching back towards this area. But let's see how it really happens. Okay, so hopefully that you do really. So what does it mean for gold, sir? Gold, as I already mentioned, we are doing shorts on gold and the gold market will be going lower. This might take some time. Okay, we might be stop loss. We also have a chance that the price will be going back to this level. Okay, but as I already mentioned, it's not likely that the price will be breaking through this high. So I'm actually doing a small short positions from here around this area and putting my stop loss around here. Okay, so if the price do really break through and going back to this level, then if the price do really give us some rejections on the lower sides, then I might be doing shorts afterwards. Russia and UK is having war, so it won't go fly up. Russia and UK is having war, so this is actually speculations. We don't really know is it going war. Okay, it's I think it's not likely to go through war from the Russia and the UK perspective. But yeah, I don't think so, to be honest, because as I'm thinking it's actually stopping right now. Is it? I'm thinking I heard that it's actually stopping from few of the areas, but let's see. But nonetheless, the long-term perspective is going lower. Okay, because we already mentioned that the price is going lower. Why? So you can see that. Okay, from the monthly perspective, you can see that the price is going high. Okay, the price is going high. We already mentioned that the price is going high, high, closing high, and closing high. So after that, the price has been closing low, and I might be speculations that the next couple of weeks, and this is actually the monthly high and or the yearly high. I'm not really thinking that the price will be breaking through 2796 in the short period of time. So I'm much more leaning that the price is going shorts. Okay, maybe going back to a rebalancing area. I think it's most likely that the gold might be reaching back to this level. So you can see this is the balance area and the most volume area. So I'm thinking that the price will be reaching back towards this area, and after that will be maybe going through some kind of ranging. But nonetheless, I'm actually much more leaning to do shorts. But let's see how it happens. Okay, we have been doing shorts, and let's see how the market reacts. We have been giving up analysis as well. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. So follow, like, and subscribe is the most important part. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming every day. Okay, live streaming every day. Join our signal group at the bio sessions. We have been giving out 2 to 3 trades a day. Winning rate, it's high. Okay, it's around 87%. And we also, from the live streaming sessions, we also giving out what we have been giving out, how does the market works, and why I'm thinking that the market is going a ranging area and some sort. Okay, but right away, if you want to do trading right now, we have been giving out trading signals, and we are saying that the price is going lower. Okay, we already doing short positions, and this is a real account, everyone, not a demo account. So remember to like and subscribe. So looking through, you from the UK? Nah, I'm not from the UK. Okay, I'm actually from the Southeast Asia. Okay, so what content is this? This is live analysis and also providing live trading sessions. So this is a real account, and we'll be also doing live trading sessions with you guys. But if you do really have any questions, you can feel free to ask, and we'll be happily answer your questions. Okay, so if you do have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay. Yep, I agree your analysis. Usually year-end people would sell gold to close their profits. Yep, that really happens. And I'm not really thinking that the gold will be continue going high, to be honest. Even though that November is usually bullish from the gold, from the statistic perspective, but the price is didn't really go through. So I'm thinking that it's probably reaching maybe there's a few things. One is that the price will be going or ranging. Next, it's going through a downtrend momentum, but nonetheless, I'm expectations that the price of gold it's probably going on the lower sides. But this might take some time, and let's see what is going on. So you can see the price is actually forming some kind of. Here is what we call the balance area. So the price is actually forming back, and for this is a lot of volume. So you can see that this is a lot of volume that the price can't go high in a short period of time. So from this, so if the price do really go high, then it's a really strong bullish momentum. Okay, the aggressive buyer is really buying out this volume up. If not, this might be holding on, and the price will be going on the low sides. But let's see how it happens. Okay, as I already mentioned, there's no 100%, but we have already given out our analysis and pointed out that we are looking to do shorts, and this is the ranging area, so we are likely to do a short positions afterwards. Okay, so buy now. Go sell, is it? Yes, it is. As we already mentioned, we have been doing short positions, so you can see that we have already do a short positions. But remember, if you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions, please remember to give us your like, subscribe, and follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming from Monday to Friday UK time 11 to 2, and we will be having 2 to 3 trades a day from our signal group. And if you do, please go through our bio sections. Okay, winning rates is high, it's 87%. Okay, so how long you have been trading? I have been trading a decades. Okay, it's quite a long time already. So I think at least, at least, I think at least 9 years. Okay, so I'm actually quite understand the gold market momentum, because I'm actually like to trade gold. But gold, you need to be much more focused because the volatility is much more larger. So the stop loss might need to put much more tighter. Okay. So if you do really like it, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, remember to follow, like, and subscribe. What about winning rate for news? Oh, my news trading is really good. Okay, my news trading is really good, especially on the CPI and also the NFP. I don't trade on the news. I trade on the auctions, the failed auctions. Okay. Next time, if there's any chances on our live streaming, I will be showing you guys how to trade news and also giving you guys about what's my thoughts. Okay, news is much more a manipulations. So manipulations meaning by that you can say it's manipulations or fail auctions or it's quite similar as well. It's manipulations or maybe fail auctions. Okay, so the price usually will be fail, and then after that will be going ranging and then going back to the lower sides. Okay, it's really happening on the gold market. Okay, so if you do have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, so let's see, the gold market has been reaching through and going back to the downside, going back, reaching back, maybe grabbing this liquidations on the high. So if the price do really reach through, I think we can trade to another long positions. If the price do really go back and then closing below, I think we can actually do another short positions if we do really wanted to. Okay, so so hopefully you do really like my content. So because we have been giving out a lot of great news and we already giving out why I'm thinking to do shorts. Okay, because we already seen out the order book flow and it's been already saying that the price is actually rebalancing out and the price has been showing some kind of balance area. So once the price has been breaking through this balance area, then we are likely to go through the okay, so remember why we have been doing shorts from this. Okay, so why we have been doing shorts, we need to know the whole story behind of it. Okay, going back to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, going back to the 4 hour time frame, what we can see is that the market has been going through this, rebalancing out, failed auctions. Okay, price failed to break, and then after that, the price has been going lower. So once the price has been going lower, the price has been rebalanced and rebalancing. So from this point onwards, you can see that the market is actually rebalancing from here. Okay, and if you want to have much more details, as I already mentioned, we can get on the footprint. So we can choose the volume footprint and you can get much more details about it. Okay, so from this, it's actually showing signs the volume inside of it. So from here, you can see that this is actually what we call a stop run. So you can see there's a lot of zeros. So zero, zero, zeros, so on. And then after that, what has the happen? Price has happened. The price has been rebalancing out. Okay, so from here, you can see that the price has been rebalancing out from here. Okay, this imbalance. So you can see that the price has been imbalanced from here, and then the price has been ranging. And then after that, the price has been going on the lower sides. So going back to the 50 minutes, you can see that it's actually the same thing as well. So reaching back to the 50 minutes, you can see that the price is actually reaching through here. So you can see it's much more details. You can see that this is actually the stop run. So you can see it's much more aggressive seller and this is stop run. Okay, so a lot of people buying putting their stop loss around here. So you can see from here. So the price usually will be rebalancing back to this balance area. So it's around here. 47. So you can see going back, you can see that the price is actually forming some kind of resistance around 47. Okay, so you can see back reaching to maybe around here. This might take some time. Okay, okay, let's just make it here. Okay, so you can see the price has been forming some kind of resistance around 47. Okay, so what we can see, we need to have see how does price move. So we can see this is the negative delta. So we can see this is the imbalance. The price has been pushing lower volume, then the price has been going on the lower side. So this is my thought that the price might be going on the lower sides, and the price has been going balanced and reaching through on the lower sides. But from this point onwards, we can see that the market, it's not a really good signs, because you can see that this is a lot of buying power from here, buying, buying, buying. So I'm thinking that the price might be reaching back towards this area. So maybe reaching through this area, and let's see how the price react. Okay. So reaching through this area, because this is not a really good sign. Okay, you can see this is a positive delta, and the price is actually forming some kind of buying, a lot of buying from here and imbalance from here. So it's likely to go back to the upsides, maybe reaching back towards this area. Okay, as I already mentioned, this is a high risk trades. So risk is maybe around 40 pips, and you are, if I'm right, I think I can get around 200, 200 to 100 pips, 150 pips. So it's about 1 to 5, that kind of area. So you can see we will be speculations that the price will be going higher first, maybe reaching through this, giving us a failed auctions. So if the price do really fail auctions, then we can try to do another short positions. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and we'll be doing live analysis, live trading, and also giving you tips and tricks how to do tradings as well, giving you high quality trades and also high high quality trades and so on. Yes, we have already do shots, okay, because this is trading view. So this is MP5. So I already do trades. Okay, this is a real account, everyone. This is not a demo account. It's a real account. Set the real account, and right now it's I've been doing 3 trades. I've been giving out 3 trades this week. So USD, I'm thinking too long. Stock indexes is probably going higher as well, and the gold market are much more going on the shorter sides as well. So hopefully this has been answered your questions. But if you do really wanted to know more on the analysis part, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, this might take some time. Okay, so remember, if you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, well, this is a really good one. So you can see that this is a lot of pressure from here. 2 5, 2 5, buying or selling on 2 5 2 8. So 2 5 or 2 8. Let's see. Yeah, 2 5 to 2 8. If the price do really close below, I think we can actually get to 2 5 to 2 8. So from the monthly candlestick, you can see that the negative delta has been going on. So we can expect the price might be reaching on the lower sides. If the price do really close below this negative area, then we can expecting that the next month it's much more leading to do shorts. So there's a lot of volume, 9 millions, a lot of buying pressure. So it's much more likely that the price will be reaching through 624 to 25, if you're asking me, because you can see that the volume is continue increasing. Okay, so increasing on the selling part. So this is what we call imbalance from here. So if the price do really go to sell 45, it's actually a good trading opportunities. But nonetheless, let's see how does the price react. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please remember to give us a like and subscribe. Okay. And we'll be giving out. Okay. So giving out 4 like and subscribe. Okay. So remember, follow, like, and subscribe. And I think your link bio not working. Okay. So really, Okay, so let's see. So, what's your thought? Do you think that the market is going higher or going lower? Give us your thought about it. Do you think that the market is going higher or going lower? If you are thinking that the gold market is going higher, press 1. If you are thinking that the gold is going lower, press 2. So let me tell me your thoughts about it. Do you think that the market is going higher or going lower? Okay, so if you are thinking that the market is going higher, press 1. If you're thinking the market is going to, press 2. Okay, so let me know your thoughts about it. Okay, so let's see how does the market. Yeah. hmm. So I already mentioned we have been doing long positions, short positions from here. So you can see it's much more clearer. Maybe I might change some color. So maybe yellow, black. Okay, much black, green, black, green, black. Where's my TP? Okay, if you want to know my TP, okay, remember to press 1. Okay, if you really want my TP area, you can press 1. So let's see. Okay, if you really want my TP area, you can press 1. As I already mentioned, this is actually a really risky trade. Uh, Consider a low risk trade and high TP area. If that really happens, I think we can go through a lot of TP. Maybe we can get around 20, 200 pips, to be honest. Okay, so let's see. So remember, if you do really like our content, please follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming from Monday to Friday. We'll be doing live streaming from Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2. Okay, join our signal group at the bio sessions. We'll be giving out 2 to 3 trades a day. Winning rates, it's really high, maybe around 87%. And let's see how the gold react. Okay, even though that the gold has been giving us some kind of bearish momentum, but we need to have much more pressure about it. Okay. So remember, if you do really like us, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And we already giving out trades and we already doing shots, even though that the price is going ups and downs. But let's see how it happens. Okay. If the price do really go through, I'm thinking that it's most probably will be reaching through 28. So if you wanted to know my TP area, my TP area is around this area. If you want to much more safer, I think we actually can get it from here, this area, but I'm actually quite comfortable from here as well, how it happens. Okay, so the price is reaching through, grabbing on the low sides, grabbing high. Let's see how does the volume profile show us. See, volume profile, this volume profile tool. Seems like the price positive delta. Seems like the price is showing some signs of going higher. So yeah, this is a really strong support. So we can see that this is actually a really strong buying power from 43. So we might be expectations that the price is going higher first. And let's see how the price react from 47. If the price do really fail to break 47, maybe going ups and closing below, then we might be having a chance that the price is going on the lower sides and grabbing liquidations above. So you can see this is the high volume area. So let's see. But from this point onwards, we can see that the market is actually showing a really strong supports from around 42 to 43. So in a short period of time, it's much more leaning that the price is going higher and reaching through this area. Okay, grabbing liquidity or maybe forming, gaining liquidity above. Okay, so let's see from this. It's I think the price is actually have a potential to reach through around 48, around 48, and see how does the price react. If the price do really close below, then we are on the safe zone. If the price do really close above, then I think we might be stopping out this one. Okay, so let's see how the price react because this is really strong support. Okay, this is price book. Seems like a lot of aggression seller is pushing down the price, and this might be giving us an iceberg. Aggressive buyer might be giving us shots. So let's see how the price react. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. We will be giving out live trading and live analysis. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really enjoy it. So this is this, and we have been giving out live trading sessions and going through by that, we also forming this. This is a really strong resistant area. Okay, this might be interested. Selling pressure 51 to 52. Seems like a lot of volume on 44. Hmm. Okay, so remember if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. So follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so remember. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming from Monday to Friday, UK time, 11 to 2, 2 trades a day. Winning rate is high, and we'll be also having an 87% of winning rate. So hopefully you do really enjoy it and give us a like and subscribe. Okay. Okay. Today we just focusing on gold market. How about Euro USD? Okay, Euro USD. Let's look through Euro USD and see how does the market react. Okay, so let's see. We've been doing shorts. So right now it's actually facing some kind of resistance, maybe filling up orders from here. But let's see how it happens. And let's go through the Euro USD pairings. Euro USD, as we already mentioned, that the price is much more leaning to do long. Okay, as we already mentioned, that the price is showing signs going back, fail to break lower. So the price is actually filling out and going on the higher sides. So my speculations is that the price is much more leaning to do long. So you can see the price is closing above. So if you are asking me, I'm much more doing long positions. So from here onwards, where is the balance area? So let's see. So let's see from the hourly range, see how it really happens. Okay, ranging level, going back, see. Hmm, this is the balance area. To be honest, I'm much more leaning to do long. I might be doing long from here and getting from here. So yeah, I'm much more leaning to do long positions. Expectations that the price might be reaching back towards 66 pips, 60 pips. I think we can actually get 60 pips. Putting stop loss maybe around 1 to 2. I think we can get it. Much more leaning to do long positions to if you're asking me. Yeah, because the price is actually balancing out from the daily perspective. You can see that. Okay, the price has been showing up, going high, breaching through this level, and right now the price is actually balancing down. Going back to the 1 hour time frame, what we can expect, the price is actually balancing down. So from here onwards, you can see that there's a lot of volume from here. So from this point, expectations that the price is actually forming some kind of supporting area from here. So I actually can do long, putting stop loss below and getting above. So yeah, long positions. Right now is actually quite a good time to do long positions. Okay. So if you wanted to, you can also do long positions on the Euro USD pairings. Okay. Let's see. The gold market seems like yeah going higher. Try and see gold market price is looking to 50 minutes and see. As I already mentioned, the price has been showing a really strong support. So we are likely to see the price to go above, likely to see the price to close above. There's a lot of volume right here. So you can see the volume has been changing. So we are likely to see some kind of support from here. I mean, price is actually forming on the higher sides, reaching back and maybe reaching to this level. But let's see if the price do really fail to go a high, closing below, then I think I'll be adding another positions. But right now the price is showing some kind of support from here. So I think we might take some time about it. Okay. So remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe from our channel. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2. Join our signal group at the bio sessions, 2, 3 trades a day. Winning rates about 87%. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, Mhm. price is showing signs of going higher. Okay, so Euro USD, if you wanted to, you can actually do long positions. Let's see how it happens. Dollar index has been showing some kind of volume. Uh, let's see on the gold market. Okay, gold market. So silver market is actually going on the lower sides, rebalancing out and then going low, reaching back to discovery to rebalancing. Okay. Hmm. Seems like we need to see the price to close this below. If the price do fail auctions, if the price do really fail options below, then it's really have a highly chance that the price is going lower because the price is showing a bullish momentum right now. We need to see a fail options. So if the price is giving us a fail options, then I think we might likely to go through on the lower sides, but this might take some time. Okay. So remember what positions on go. Still continue doing shorts. Nothing changed. Our strategy is still the same because we already mentioned we are much more leaning to do shorts. Even though that the risk is high, but I'm thinking that the risk reward ratio is quite good. If we are right, I think we can get a lot of pips. Okay. So remember that risk reward ratio is really important. So right now, I think we need to see a fail options. Okay, meaning by that is that the price is wanted to go high but fail options. So if the price do really fail options from here, then I think I will be adding another sell positions. Okay, because this is a really crucial place. So you can see the price will be reaching around maybe around 48. Let's see. Okay, we need to see a fail options to press higher and giving us a really big volume on the lower side, then we can actually expecting that the price is going lower. 5k. Yeah, I think that the market is generating liquidity, forming volume from birds. Okay. Yes, we have been doing shorts positions beginning of our live streaming. We have been doing short positions maybe around hour ago, and we already expectations that the price is going lower. Okay, so we need to see a few options. If the price do give us a few options, then I'm likely to do shorts again. So you can see a lot of volume right here, buying and selling. So there's a selling pressure, but also a aggressive buying pressure. So right now, it's fighting. So if the price do really close below, then I'm thinking that we are on the right track. Okay, we have been already do a short positions, everyone. Okay, so remember if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe because we have been giving out really good content about it. Okay, giving real, real trading signals, real trading opportunities, and so on. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, and live streaming from Monday to Friday. Join our and we'll be also doing live streaming from the UK time 11 to 2 and join our single group on the bio sessions 2 to 3 trades per day and winning rates is around 87%. So really, if you really wanted to do more, give us a like and subscribe. Right now, I'm thinking that the market is battling out. So if we are right, I think we are on the good sides. So the price is actually forming some kind of, let's go back to the 5 minutes. Okay, from the 5 minute perspective, we have 10% of delta, while not 10 around. This is actually quite okay, 10% of delta. So I think that we actually going through a really good direction right now. You can see that the price is actually giving us imbalance right here from here, shorting positions, closing down. So actually it's quite okay. I think we can actually add another positions using short-term perspective. Okay, I think we can actually add another short-term trades, putting our stop loss maybe 30 pips. Let's try another short positions. Hopefully we are right. If we are wrong, then it's okay. Let's put our stop loss a bit higher. We are right. I think we where is another one? Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Where is the short positions? Wait a minute. Where is it? Okay, okay. So, okay, nice. So we have been doing another positions right away, and we are thinking that this is actually a good start because the footprint is actually giving us some signs that the price is going lower. So we'll be putting our stop loss above and trying to expect that the price is going through this value area. So let's see how the price react. If we are right, I think we can get a really good R&R, but this might take some time. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We have been giving out really good content. So we have been doing few trades per day. So if you do really like us, remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2, and join our signal group on the bio sessions because we will be giving out 2 to 3 trades a day. Winning rate is high. It's around 87%. So if you do really like our content, please remember to join our signal group. Okay. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming from Monday to Friday, UK time, 11 to 2. Join our signal group on the bio sessions, and we'll be giving out 2 to 3 trades a day. Winning rates is 87%. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, we might be ending our live streaming another 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If not, we'll be ending another 5 to 7 minutes. What kind of area? But I'm thinking that this is actually a really good one because you can see this is selling pressure on the lava. So this is failed auctions. So we can see that this might be giving us a failed auctions. So if the failed auctions has been filled, then we are likely to see the price is closing lower, to be honest. Let's see how the price react. Okay, there's no 100%, but the possibility is much more higher because here the price has been reaching through support, failed to break lower, and then going higher. Failed auctions fail to break higher, and we are likely to see the prices going lower. Let's see how the price react. Okay, we might be wrong, but everything else we are actually much more leaning to do shorts, as we already mentioned before. So if you do really like our content, what price should I look out for confirmations for sell breakout? Okay, there's two ways that you can wait for the sell breakout. One is that you can wait for the price to break through 43 and put your sell stop below 43 or 41 because I'm thinking that the price, if the price do really break through 43 or 41, I think it's a really great a really great sell. The selling pressure might be really high, but apart from that, another that is that you need to see a confirmations like using footprint, giving a context behind of it. So just now we already mentioned this is the supporting area. So we already mentioned that the price wanted to push higher, so I already mentioned the price is likely to push higher, but we need to seal the fail auctions. Meaning by that is that we need to see the price to fail to break higher. So from this point onwards, we can see that the price is actually forming a order block. You can say that it's imbalance and also showing some kind of imbalance on the lower sides. So from that point onwards, we can see that this it's might be giving us some clue that this is a fail auctions or going higher, so it's likely to go on the lower side. So this is also one of the reasons why I do shorts. But if you really want a bigger confirmations, you can wait for another 2 minutes. 15-minute candlestick is much more confirmations. But let's see, I might be wrong. Okay. But if I'm right, I think I can get a really good risk reward ratio. If I'm wrong, I think I lost another 400 something. Yeah. So let's see. Okay. Hmm. So remember, if you do really like for our channel, please follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming from Monday to Friday, UK time 11 to 2. Join our signal group on the bio sections, and we'll be giving out 2 to 3 trades a day. Winning rate is really high. So remember to give us your supports. So let's see from the 5 minute perspective. Mm, Right now, the market is actually forming patterns. A lot of selling pressure right here. You can see that there's a lot of selling pressure from here. So imbalance has been formed from here. So meaning by that is that if the price do really break out from here, then it might be something else. If the price do really break out 47, this is not a really good thing. So you can see that the market is actually forming a really big volume from 47. So 47 is actually a really great place to do shorts. So let's see, imbalance has been formed, a lot of volume. So if everything is right, I think the price will be reaching back on the lower side. If I'm wrong, then the price might be continue going ranging. Okay. So I think it's about it. We have been giving out 2 treats already. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights and the latest informations. Okay, if you want more treats, okay, this is just tip of my just a tip of our trading signals. But if you really want more about it, you can go to our uh, join our signal groups. Okay, so you can join our signal groups on the bio sections. Okay, so remember to give us a like and subscribe, follow us, and we'll be doing live streaming from Monday to Friday, 11 to 2 UK time, 2 to 3 trades a day, and we'll be also having a really high winning rates on 87%. So hopefully you do really learn something and give us your support. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for everyone joining, and we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow.